Hi guys, this is Dhiren. Welcome back to my channel DI Tech Creator. Guys, you can see here in my hand this is ASUS GeForce GTX 1650 4GB GDDR5 graphic card. I am purchased today. You can see guys, I am going to unboxing this graphic card. So guys, not only unboxing, I will show how to install in your PC also. So let's watch the full video.
Dual fan UC edition. UC means overclock. You can
guys, the installation is complete. Always use this silica gel
for absorb moisture.
Let's get out of here.
So guys, I am going to test check the graphic card by playing the game.
Shit! Chopper! More incoming! Keep them off us! Hang on! Fuck! Keep on firing, goddammit! I think we're in the clear! Oh shit! Hit it!
So guys, you can play any game with this graphic card.
I need immediate backup! They're all over us! What to the Monarch? We need backup now! I'm pulling back! We're in the clear!
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, comment and share.